Pictures with these chops, I should move. A couple shows, I'm on the road, babe, how you doing? While I pop the little pill, I get the grooving. I'm beating this road down, I'm stacking up these bins.
YouTube, YNW, B Slime, 1900 Rugrat, Pop Rocks. What up, Abby?
Put a Michael Drake out of Louis bag. We gon' cross a mile like some super bang. Shawty man, keep throwing back these purses. Told me stop pop. I'm all on her tongue, sound like pop rocks. Going up, I have a ticket, still post up on my block. You wanna ride with me? Why you got your hand out? Say I was lame, now this little fan out. Time watch you ran out. Purse got me slumped over my head, but I still stand up. Sitting on top of these bands, I ain't worried about what they saying about. Still talking about she miss me, that ain't my issue, that's your man problem. Bitch, I sold a perk like a scuba snake. For I been on a perk like some movie snake. On my head, I'm on top out. Shawty man, keep throwing at these perks, told me stop pop. I'm all on her tongue, sound like pop rocks.
He catch his face and he get 20 bands. Damn. Also high up in the sky, I mess around and see Buddha, man. When they free my brother, I that sell his hallelujah, man. Why you tryna say that, ho? You not Superman.
Like a scuba snake, For I been on a perk, like some movie snake, Put a Michael Drake out the Louis bag, We gon' cross a mile like some super bang. I'm all on her tongue, sound like pop rocks. Gang coming through, stepping hard, sound like hot scotch.
Tell you I miss you. Calling, seeing what you doing. I'm out beating down this road, babe, how you doing? I be praying for better days and still be losing. I just jumped in my bag.
YouTube, this is another reaction. And that's time, nigga, we doing Ralph the Plug. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. Hope y'all niggas know. You better let y'all know. I'm gonna let y'all know how this shit go. You know what I'm saying? I might be a rapper. I'm gonna let y'all know. Yeah, I know.
Hey, Winnie, yeah, I know. Yeah, time out there, give me, yeah, I know. They like Ralph, you stay winning, yeah, I know. And your diamonds always hitting, yeah, I know. They like Ralph, you stay winning, yeah, I know. And your diamonds always hitting, yeah, I know. You, it's not a gimmick, yeah, I know. You don't want no money unless it's right in his face. It was just a flash, then the light hit his face. Wake up and get some money, shit, that's just another day. I see our rappers on the gram trying to find a bank play. I'm just trying to know a Maylene hiding up in her safe. They like Ralph, you stay winning, yeah, I know. And your diamonds always hitting, yeah, I know. Niggas talking about he gon' get me, yeah, I know. You keep it on you, it's not a gimmick, yeah, I know. Man, you want some dick, yeah, I know. Not the nigga that pay your rent, she like, yeah, I know. You got some shit up on your wrist, yeah, I know. And your diamonds always hidden, yeah, I know. Nigga talking about he gon' get me, yeah, I know. You keep it on you, it's not a gimmick, yeah, I know.
Breaking news! Boosie been in the... Oh, Lord. 2 people ejected from the car. Oh! And it was a green car. Oh, man, nigga. What in the hell going on, man? Memphis, man. Shit, man. Other nigga, was that... Who was it? Look like a white dude. They like a white dude. Fuck! Bro, where Boosie at? Where Boosie at, bro? Where Boosie at, bro? Oh, Boosie! Oh, shit! That nigga Boosie, bro. Bro, what the fuck going on in Memphis, man? Bro, we gotta fit. What going on, bro? Boosie crying? Look, he was driving We ain't gonna put that on him. That's, you know what I'm saying. Allegedly, we think Boosie might have been driving, but holy Lord, bah! Why is this nigga hurt like that? Fuck! Why they ain't got this nigga up yet? Wait a minute. These niggas that had a conversation for a minute. The cops got there. You telling me the cops got there for the paramedics? That don't make no sense. Damn it. You niggas always the freaking male people. Fucking shit up. Oh my God. My nigga is fucked up, G. He's still in the same position that he been in since he got out the car. Whatever happened to him, because I know he didn't... Did he get ejected out the car like that? Why Bootsie's shirt off, nigga? That nigga shirt... That nigga built crazy. I ain't gonna talk about it. Body is on the ambulance truck. Oh shit. Let's see what he got. You know what I'm saying?
Paint pictures with these chops, I should remove a couple shows, I'm on the road, babe, how you doing? While I pop the little pill, I get the grooving. I'm beating this road down, I'm stacking up these bins. He probably in the stores till late night, got his gun in his hand. I'm moving right, I got a plan. We sending shots, we aiming for your head. I got voices in my head. Come and see what you doing.
Stutter. We got buttons, watch them bitches stutter. I gotta fuck with my rubber, then I'ma pass her the brother. I slid it out, you caught it, pour that lean, I'm done.
I'm moving right, I got a plan. We sending shots, we aiming for your head. I got voices in my head. Come and see what you doing. Tryna see if we can get into my beating down this road, babe, how you doing?